Welcome back to another Celebrity Sweets. I'm Ethan, and Panic at the Disco has to be one of the biggest group on the planet today. They definitely had some high hopes, and that is my favorite song from Panic at the Disco. It's just super fun and just like energetic. So today we're going to make some treats inspired by Panic at the Disco. We're going to be making some chocolate truffles. Now, I feel like when you say truffles, like that's like really romantic and ooh. But if you've ever looked at the recipe to make a chocolate truffle, it is super simple. It's really just 2 ingredients, and it's just a chilled chocolate ganache. So that's exactly what we're going to make today, and we're going to decorate them with the 3 different parts of the logo. I feel like it has a name. I'm not that big of a fan, but if it does have a name, let me know down below. The ingredients for this recipe are 1 cup of chopped chocolate, half a cup of heavy whipping cream, some black candy melts, white candy melts, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. The first thing we're going to do is take our heavy cream and a small sauce pot over to the stove. On low heat, add in your heavy cream and bring it to a simmer. Once simmering, bring back to your workstation. After you've brought your cream back, now we want to add in our chocolate to a large bowl and then pour our hot heavy cream into our chocolate. Now we want to allow this chocolate mixture to sit for about 3 minutes. After you've let your chocolate mixture rest for 3 minutes, now we can add in our vanilla extract and then mix it up with a spatula. Now we want to pop this into the fridge to set for 30 minutes. And this is a perfect way to get rid of all that extra holiday chocolate that you got. The ratio to make a ganache is 2 parts chocolate to 1 part heavy cream. So you can just add more, add less, whatever you'd like. So our chocolate ganache has hardened in the fridge, and now we can start to roll these into our truffle shapes. To make sure all of our truffles are the same size, I'm just going to use a tablespoon scoop, and just scoop out the amount I want, roll it into a ball, and then place it on a plate. Now, since our hands put off a lot of heat, and you can tell when I was rolling them, you can kind of get some of that chocolate on you, we actually want to pop these back into the fridge for 15 more minutes before we coat them in our final chocolate. So our truffles are rolled and they've hardened, and now we can start to dip them into our candy melts. I've melted down the black candy melts and kept them in the bowl. And for the white candy melts, I melted them down and put them into a piping bag fitted with a number 1 tip. Start by taking one of your truffles, dipping it into your black candy melts, completely coating it, and then place it back on your plate to harden. So our truffles have hardened in their outer layer of the black candy melts, and now we can pipe on the logo details using our white candy melts to make the 3 symbols of the logo. There's an eye, a star, and a moon. And here we have our Panic at the Disco inspired truffles that we made today. These are a super easy treat to make. They only require 2 ingredients, chocolate and heavy cream. And then we've dipped them in some candy melts and then added on 3 little symbols on top. If you happen to make these, please share them with me on Instagram or Twitter. And if you have any other requests for another Celebrity Sweets, please leave it down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to share this video with someone who likes Panic at the Disco, truffles, chocolates, or anything you saw in this video. Until next time, save your life and make it sweet. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And while you're at it, subscribe. You can do that by clicking this cute little donut right here. If you're looking for more content, up here is my newest video where I made some Masked Singer inspired cookie pops, and down here is what YouTube thinks you should watch. That's all for today. I will see you guys this Sunday.